Good morning children. Namaste. Today I'll take game class badminton. Badminton is a international game. It is an indoor game. Badminton is a very popular in India by learning the skills. If there is game, the students can improve their own motor ability skills like speed, coordination and agility. This is important of badminton game. This is now I'll show you badminton warm up skills. Okay, yes, let's begin warm up skills. Yes, like this equipments, no need equipments. If you indoor, we can inside the home only you can practice 10 to 15 feet for the your practice session. Okay, first one. Yes, normal jogging for the 5 to 10 rounds like this 15 meter you can use for the cones and otherwise you can use empty water bottle. Okay, like this 5 to 3 to 5 rounds jog. Only jog 5 to 10 rounds. After the jogging, okay, yes, after the jogging, sprint 3 to 5 sprint. Yes, like this. Both the side sprint. Yes, sprint. Sprint. Yes. After the sprint, leg stretch and sideward stretching and walk. Yes. Yes. 3 to 5. Spread your legs and joint and run forward. Okay. Yes. 3 to 5 rounds. You warm up your body, especially badminton warm up. Back jump. After this one, next warm up skill. Back jump. Backward jump. Yes. Here to there. 3 to 5. Backward jump. Then after one. Yes. Forward running and backward step. Okay. Next one. Next skill. Forward running. Okay. Touch and back. Forward. 5 to 10. Yes. Very important. Fitness, coordination and agility and coordination. Forward and backward run 10 to 15 times. Yes. After this skill, this skill, yes. After this skill, zigzag movement like this. Arrange the cone. You have a cone, you can arrange like this. Otherwise, empty water bottle you can use and zigzag movement. Okay, ready? Yes. Zigzag. Coming back. Yes. 3 to 4 times you can zigzag movement you can practice. Forward and backward 3 to 4 times you can practice for the home. After this one you can over the cones or bottle, high jump over the bottle. You can arrange the 6 to 10. This one, I mean continuous jump like this. Yes, and run. Okay, same as it is. 5 to 10 times. You can practice for the fitness. Warm up. Yes, jog. 5 to 10 times you can practice. Then next one, curve movement. Curve movement. You can practice for 3 to 5 times. You can practice. Then only you can learn warm up skills. Okay. Yes. Curve movement. Yes. Curve tapping or curve movement. Yes. Like this. Right side and left side you can move sideways. Both the side. Okay. You can practice for the warm up. Yes. Yes. Next one, 4 side movement. You can arrange your water bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5. Okay. This is the shuttle badminton court movement. You can practice for the 3 to 5 times. You can practice. Okay. One position is your right side. 2 is left. Then 3 is your left side. 4 is your right side. 1 and 4 is right side. 2 and 3 is left side. This is center part. You can move forward, tap 1 time, 2 times. You can forward, you move, yes. Then left side, right side. Okay, then 3, position 3 and come to center. Yes. Every time you can come to center. 2 times you can tapping. Okay. Yes. Stretch and touch your cone or your water bottle. Whatever you want to use, you can touch the 4 side. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 side you can movement running. Okay. Then diagonal forward 1 and 3. 2 times you can practice. 1 and 3. Yes. Then 2 and 4 you can practice 3 times. Yes. Very good. Yes. Forward movement you can 1, 2, 3. That's left hand and right hand. Yes. 5 times. Forward and backward. Okay. Yes. 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 You can like this. You can 4 forward movement running. This is practice forward movement running. Then after the forward movement running, forward. Yes. Next after the forward 4 side movement, we can diamond shape movement. This is effective of your body and ankle and calves muscles and leg strength also improve. Like this you can diamond shape use and movement. Okay, like this in and out. Like this fast movement. Which side is there? We can fast movement. Okay, like this. Like this. 1 or 2 times sidewards. and forward, sideways and forward. Like this, you can practice for the 3 to 5 times dynamic or diamond shape tapping. Okay, after the dynamic tapping, very important for the badminton player. Okay, this is important for the badminton player. Continuous fast movement and leg strength and your wrist work should be is there. Fast wrist work and yes, 50. Yes, okay, nice practice. Again, this one skipping is very effective for the badminton player. You can practice for the skipping. After the skipping, for the like this, you can take for the your any ear nearby the this much height. You otherwise use for the your staircase, and this much any your height is there inside the home. You can practice. Okay, continuous like this. Okay, yes, continuous fast movement, floor movement. Okay. 1 minute or 2 minutes you can practice continuous fast movement, up and down, like this. Okay, this is the effective of your leg muscles and strengthen for and agility coordination should be improved. Then after this one, okay, after this one, yes, this much height you can any chair like this much height for the 1 feet height any materials take and jump. Okay, jump practice and fitness. Yes, yes, squat, right, height squat, you can practice like this. Height squat you can practice very good. Knee and your thigh muscles should be strengthened and improve your and supporting of badminton practice. Okay, the next one, sideward stretch. Like this you stand, spread out your legs. Okay, yes, jump sidewards, both the side, right side and left side, and jump up. Yes, you can carefully you can practice, children. Yes, don't take too much height. You can less than 1 feet. You can take and practice for the in home. This all the badminton skills, warm up skills. Yes, warm up skills. You can practice and fit your body. Then only you can practice for the badminton. Yes. Next class I will teach you badminton holding, service, long service and all. Next class I will teach you. Then you can practice for the shuttle in home. Okay, shuttle badminton or badminton. This is the warm up practice for the shuttle or badminton. Okay, you can practice 3 to 5 times. You can repetition all the skills. Okay, thank you children. Nice day and carefully.